I see we out here in the neck of the woods in Mexico. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing, riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just be getting that bad.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. And I got the head mount on today, man, so y'all know it's gonna be a good video. You know what I'm saying? No hands free. That one not gonna be a driving expertise, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Before you do anything, hit that like button, whether you're new or you're not new, you know what I'm saying? You're subscribed or not subscribed. Hit that like button. The more y'all hit the like button, bro, the more YouTube gonna push the video out to the algorithm, and that'll get us, you know what I'm saying, more subscribers, more all that, and we can keep growing and growing and getting better and better car content to get more epic and epic, you feel me? So but make sure y'all hit that like button, man. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. But as y'all can see, man, tell by the title, we're finna just drive this lovely beast, Olivia, right here. I call her Olivia. You know what I'm saying? Before they don't know that, my car, Olivia. The reason why, I always use girl's name, you know what I'm saying? This is what I drive, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to drive a guy name, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, I learned that. I don't know, that's just me. I ain't really no harm, no foul, you know what I'm saying? Just, I like being different, and it's just funny to name your car like an older lady name. I always pick older, you know what I'm saying, more back in the day names everybody knows. So, you feel me? This is Olivia, you know what I'm saying, for everybody that's new. But, anyway, man, enough talking. Y'all see the title, y'all see how what we finna do. Finna just drive that thing like how it need to be driven. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all pretty much a jack of all trades. Everything that I done did in different videos, one by one, we'll put it all in this video. You know what I'm saying? From just launches to all that. But before we get started, y'all see what we in, man. We in custom mode. It's in sport, transmission in sport. We finna turn traction all the way off. I want to get that on camera so y'all see it. Y'all heard the ding. You know what that mean. You know what I'm saying? So finna get straight to it, man. It started to get hot. It wasn't that hot outside. It's starting to get hot now. I'm turning the performance pages on for y'all, boy. Let me get right. Roll these windows down. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see we got the performance pages up right here. Y'all see they moving all that. Y'all may see them from right down there. But yeah, man, we're finna get straight into it. And I'm probably gonna put it in manual. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna be all the way in manual with it for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? For like the driving part. If I launch it or something, I'll take it out of manual. But that's what we got going, man. We straight into it. 2 hands on the wheel. Y'all let me know how we looking. We looking good? We straight? Let me turn that L, man. We looking good? We straight, man? We in custom mode with it, aka sport mode, really. Dang, you don't want to go right there. I forgot about that dip. Yeah, car cool. You get you a scat, man. That's what you gotta look out for. Make sure you look out for dips, low hills. What are you doing, you piece, bruh? Move, man. With that long ass cigarette. This big guy, extra long cigarette. Damn. Ford, guys. I tell you, man. Let me stop. I be trolling, man. Y'all boy, get out y'all feeling. You know how y'all Ford niggas be. Get out y'all feeling, man. I just be trolling. As y'all already know, man, hopefully the wind ain't bad. Hopefully it sounds lovely here. But as y'all already know, man, y'all know how that beast sound, man. I ain't gonna lie, with the windows down, it do sound amazing. mode with it. We in full manual mode with it, man. But y'all know how it is when we get by the trees on it. I'm gonna roll my window just a little bit so y'all can hear me talk still. Oh, Lord. Y'all see what's going on, man. Uh-huh. Now you break it down slower, yeah. Come on, man. See, we taking the curve, man. Forza action. Y'all see how we going. Y'all see how we coming, man. Like I said, hopefully that wind ain't too bad, bro. I hope it ain't hitting y'all too bad, man. I hope not. I'll see how we coming, man. SCATPACK going wild, man. We finna get right. Don't worry about it. We finna get right, car crew. I just want to take y'all through these waves right quick. You feel me? Good Lord. Good Lord. I was doing it with the paddle shift. I should have shifted with it, but I don't like doing it with that. I like to have my fingertips ready, you feel me? Have my fingertips on the steering wheel, you feel me? Man, that's a hard house, but that be tough. Hit that bit. You gotta head on I, car crew. What that? Yeah, I bought a little 30 roll, 20 roll. That wasn't even flooring it, bro. And then with manual mode all the way, like me shifting. You know what I'm saying? I gotta shift it. You feel me? That's with me shifting it and everything, bro. What y'all want to see, man? What y'all want to see, car crew? Man, I tried to do it in second, bro. That bitch ain't even do it right. That bitch ain't even do it right, bro. I tried to swing it, car crew, in second. I guess I had to learn from my mistake, I guess. You know what I'm saying? So that better not work. I better start going new ways. Let me see what I am. Y'all see we out here in the neck of the woods in Mexico. The people was over there told me to hit it, bro. I ain't even see them out there. Yeah, man. Y'all see me driving this thing like a maniac. Slightly, you know what I'm saying? I ain't going too crazy. So I take care of my wheels, even if it seems like I'm driving it hard or not. Let's see where we're going, man. That nigga got scared, bro. He turned around so fast. Yeah, look at this big. Now, this is a neighborhood with the nice houses in the car crew. Should I turn down there? Should I turn down there? Oh shit, I'm trying to turn around actually. It's a big ass school. This school big as hell. It built like a library, a stadium, and a courthouse. That'd be big, boy. I wanted to keep going down there, but I'm just gonna go back. I really just whipping this thing, man. You know what? It wouldn't let me do it in seconds, so I'm gonna have to do it in first. I thought it was gonna hold. See, when it shift, that when it cut off that traction, bro. I thought it was gonna hold it. I was letting it shift by itself. Y'all saw when it was spinning, it had it. That dude on that lawnmower like, well, I like it. Bro, that downshift so sexy, car crew. See, this one, the one that be like from third in the high gear, it be like, it's like it's choking. But that one that be like smooth. Oh my goodness, see, y'all heard that? That's why I be upshifting, bro. I don't be trying to dog my joint like to where it be banging, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying? You gotta know your car, you gotta treat it right, but still let it be able to breathe sometimes. You gotta let it stretch out, you know what I'm saying? You gotta stretch your bone, you know what I'm saying? You gotta stretch your mechanical bone, you feel me? Y'all seen me hold that bit? Y'all seen me hold that bit just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? You gotta let the car drive itself, bro. You just control the throttle. That bit gonna drive itself, bro, and hold the steering wheel, you feel me? But don't hold it one way. When that bit going like this and you still facing like this, but let that bit go like that a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Then put that bit back, and then it's straight. You straight, man. I can give a real driving class, no cap, you know what I'm saying? Not even no, I ain't even saying like I'm the best driver in the world, obviously, but I'm saying like on some cool stuff, you feel me? Good Lord. I ain't even hit my little stand today, bro. Hold on. Hold on, I got y'all, hold on. So you gotta hold that bit at 50 when a nigga wanna race. Stick 'em. Nah, for real though, man. Just something slight, man. Car crew, I ain't wanna, you know what I'm saying, give y'all a too long video, bro. I really didn't get to do what I thought I was gonna do, but I still gave y'all a little, you know what I'm saying, little pieces here and there, like me driving this car like a man. Stick 'em. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still not flooring it, by the way. Like, y'all just get in y'all head. I'm still not flooring it. Make sure y'all hit the like button though. Hit that like button, bro. Get this video to 100 likes. Put it in the algorithm, man, so we can really get popping, man. Get that 10K, man. We just go up from there, like car crew. So y'all do that for me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I appreciate all y'all watching, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, and I appreciate every last one of y'all here so far, bro, that's been on this journey with me. I really appreciate it, bro. It goes a long way, car crew. It goes a long way, man. No cap. Turn the air back on now. Time to go back to reality. Well, hey, It put you in a good, you know what I'm saying? It feel good, man. It feel good. I appreciate y'all boys. I appreciate every last one of y'all that not subscribed, that watch the video, and that is subscribed. And the ones that not subscribed, hopefully y'all potentially subscribe one day. You know what I'm saying? So, well, yeah, man. Like I said at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. And also, man, like I say, for my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up, you know what I'm saying? Stay humble. Try to keep a positive mindset, man. Work on them bad habits. We all got them. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna happen overnight. But, you know what I'm saying? It won't happen at all if you don't try. At least somewhat, you know what I'm saying? A little progress is better than none, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all boys just keep that in mind. But, man, also, like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.